In a world, each day is an adventure, each day is full of excitement. We try everything you can do in the nature for you. We do various activities for the first time. We learn with you and broadcast it. Different places, different adventures, more passion and less depression. I'm Rıdvan Dumanlıdağ, and we experience every kind of nature adventure in winter and summer with friends. Welcome to my extraordinary, fantastic, adventurous life. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video you're watching to support the channel and let the new videos come up. In the last conversation episode, Neil and I talked about the nature, climate change, and we compared the nature in Australia and Europe. We also talked about Australian animals and the nature in Turkey. In addition, we enjoyed the landscape of the reservoir in the middle of the forest and mountains. After that, we took a walk and went for a small hiking. Please enjoy our little walk in the nature. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe unless you didn't so far.
So let's do that. We'll put these back in the car and we're going to the shepherd's place.
Yes, that's very nice.
We want to see some sheep.
As you see, walking over here is really nice. There is a very big rock behind this mountain. I went there in summer. We don't have a lot of times together right now today, but later we will have another adventure with some of our English speaking friends. By the way, you can watch the video by activating the subtitles. I will adjust the subtitles so that everybody can read it. Yes, but we should take care. Yes.
These flowers are called crocus or yellow crocus. They are usually found in Turkey, Greece, Bulgaria, and some other neighborhood countries.
I will give you some of it to Neil. I want to find the root, and I don't want to damage the root. Yes. Yes. You can eat now, or you can eat it after washing and cleaning it whenever you want. Please hold it, and their flowers are like this. Their flowers are like this, and the root is like this. I usually carry a very small penknife with me. Usually. Yes, shipware here. We have found ship shit. Yes, and the cottage over there that we mentioned. It's a very beautiful cottage, right? Are they called cottages or a shut or hut or a hut?
I guess it's a hut, yes.
It's a hut, right?
Yes, maybe someone is sleeping there.
Yes, someone is sleeping, and he has a solar energy also. He has a heater. Yes, but the heater is not electric. It's combustion.
Soba.
Yes, soba in Turkish.
Someone left a beer bottle here.
Yes, it's not very good. They. The landscape is very beautiful.
You can see lots of tracks here.
Yes.
Like maybe a small horse or a donkey. This is a small horse. This is a donkey.
Yes, this is a small horse and this is a donkey probably. And you can see the tracks, traces or tracks?
Tracks, I guess.
Tracks. And there are some motorbikes, motorbike tracks, and also probably the only tire tracks are mine. Because probably I am the only person coming over here usually. I love adventure, you know. You can see the snow on the mountain. We want to go a little bit up.
I think we should.
Go back.
I'm
Okay.
worried about your
No, I talked.
Maybe we can walk down this.
Yes. That road looks fantastic.
I think by the time we get there, it's gonna be your lunch break.
So let's go. This is not our off day. We just asked for a little bit permission.
Yeah, because I think maybe next time he'll say no.
Yes.
We shared a lot over there and we enjoyed our time. After having a small walk, we went back. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you later.